On the bottom left, you click Settings, and then on the Settings menu on the left hand side, you click Payments. Then you'll select Pay Stack. So this is the Pay Stack payment gateway and the settings thereof. So I'll deselect a couple of these payment methods. I'll deselect MTN Momo or Mobile Money, American Express, and M-Pesa. I'll just be left with Visa, MasterCard, and Ozo. Then I'll toggle off test mode and click Save to update my settings. Now to update and put the live keys, I'll select More Actions and click Manage. So my Paystack account has been verified and I can then use my live keys now. So on the Paystack Payments dashboard, I toggle on the test mode to activate the live mode. Then on the bottom left, I'll select Settings. Then on the Settings menu, I'll click on the API keys and webhooks. So here's my live secret key and my live public key. So on the Paystack Shopify gateway settings, I will remove these test keys, the secret key as well as the public key, in order for me to insert my live secret key and live public key. So I'll copy my live public key, of course, and paste it. I will copy my live secret key. First, I have to view it and use a password. Then I click continue, and then I copy that live secret key. Then I'll paste that live secret key again. Now I will then proceed to save my settings. So I then now want to test my configuration of this payment gateway, and I'll go to my store and select a product. Although I'll not finish the checkout, but I just want to show how the checkout works. So I'll select a product in this consulting product that I've created. I'll add to cart, and then I'll click checkout. So the checkout process requires me to put my contact details, and then my billing address. So as you can see, it's the MasterCard, Visa, and Ozo as the payment methods from Paystack. I'll click Pay Now. So then if I wanted to continue with the transaction, I would enter my card number and CVV and the card expiry details and then pay. Or there's another option for scanning to pay. You guys are familiar with that, with different online or e-commerce platforms. And then there's an EFT option, also via Ozo, where it goes to your bank and you authenticate yourself. So this is it. It's finished now. Hi friend, thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please share it with your friends, your family, or anyone you think can use it. Also like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That helps us grow. Yabonga kakhulu, correct moja.